Here's the freebie. Scott's tractor by Murray, 15 horse. Freebie behind my house when I bought it a few months ago. Sitting there, a little happy juice. It made it fart, so I knew it had a chance. Been rewiring the ignition. The ignition was fried. Been having some problems with the simple rewiring by Sprockets Garage on YouTube. Reference the video. It's awesome. Great tool to utilize. Fried the ignition, ripped everything out. Do over with a push button, toggle switch, kill switch. Wasn't getting nothing from the solenoid. Got a spare Mari parts tractor, so I just raked the solenoid because yeah, I'd say this one was junk. It's a little melted down right there. And here we go, maiden voyage. Let's see. Give it the old push, and there's no fuel, so. We got. All right, I'm happy. Kill switch worked too. Wasn't expecting it to start. Let's try that again. Well, there's no fuel in it now, but that's freaking awesome. Kick ass, thanks Sprockets Garage. Now time to clean this bitch up and paint it. Get it done.